Hi everyone, it's Claire. I'm going to show you how to make a memory wire bracelet today. Now this is memory wire. I've got two different sizes. This is 0.8 thick. And this is 0.6. I'm going to actually use the 0.6 today. It's a lot more easier to work with, especially for making loops on the end when it's your first time making a memory wire bracelet. I've got some looping pliers to make the loops, some cutters and chain nose pliers. So memory wire is like a slinky. We used to have them when we were children, have them going down the stairs. So first of all, you need to measure your wrist. So some people would just have 1.5. So there to there you would cut, or you can have as many loops as you want. So I'm going to do 2 loops on mine. Then we take our cutters and snip. I do have a video for making loops, which I'll link for you. This is what we have. So we take this end here and we're going to go in about 1 centimetre. And we're going to take our pliers so that to there is about 1 centimetre, and we're going to bend up 90 degrees. Can you see that? We are then going to just turn it around so it's this way. And we are then going to go this way to make a loop. Make sure there's nothing sticking out. And then we're literally going back on ourselves like this to make a loop. Take the pliers out, back in. Looking like that. Obviously we need to make more of a loop. Let's get back in. You see there's a loop. I'm just going to bend it upwards so that when the bracelet's on you can see the loop on the end. I'm going to take the other end and just start threading the beads. I have lots of beads available on my website, which I'll link below for you. But you can just use any beads that you have. That's the pattern that I'm going to follow. all those down. So we're now going to make a loop on the end. I think we've got room to put, I'm going to put another small bead on there. There we go. So I'm going to take this and then I'm going to bend it up 90 degrees. Turn it around. Try not to let go. Then we take our and then we're going to bend back on ourselves, take it out. Look at that one. Right, we just have to bend this so it's need to go in a little bit more. There we are. I'm just going to bend this upwards. Obviously this isn't for me, but it's just like, I would personally do it a lot more longer for me, but I just wanted to show you how you can make your own memory wire bracelet. Three loops. Cut. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.